Okay, so this one is tricky. We see right away that it's going to ask us linear equations with 1, 0, or infinite solutions. So we're going to have to figure out if this has only one answer, if it has no answers, no possible solutions, or if it has infinite solutions. So let's just go over this. If we get a single answer, that would be, that we solve and we get just a single traditional answer, just like you're used to getting. That would mean that it is, something like x equals blank, right? When we get zero answers look like this. You'll get no x's will be there, and you'll end up with something like 2 equals 3, and that's false. So when you get a false statement, so false tells you there is no answer, right? And then you have the third scenario where you have a true, but there's no x involved anymore, like 2 equals 2. That's true, and that tells you that you can use, that it's going to be true for any value of x. Doesn't matter what x there is. So let's go ahead and solve this. So obviously what I want to do is I'm always trying to combine, terms. So let's do that. And to simplify, I'm going to begin by simplifying. I see I got 2x here and 3x there. And so I can simplify those because they're both being added. So it's 5x minus 14. And then over here, I've got 1 plus, I'm going to distribute that 5 in. So 5 times x is 5x minus 15. So I've got 1 plus 5x minus 15. Okay. Oof. All right. And now we say, so what is this now? So I can still simplify some more. And I go, hey, negative 15 and 1, if I add those two together, I get negative 14. So now I've got 5x minus 14 equals 5x minus 14. Hey, man, it's the same here. And you're going to see what happens now. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take away 5x from this side and take away 5x from that side. And what I end up with is negative 14 equals negative 14. Well, that's just a true statement no matter what I would put in there for x. So that means, since it's a true statement, then that means there are infinitely many solutions. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and mark that there. And I'm going to show you on the calculator what that looks like. So I'm going to pop over here into my GeoGebra CAS, and I see I put that equation there. 1 plus 5 times x minus 3 equals 2x minus 14 plus 3x for x. Right? That's what comma x means. I'm solving this for x, right? And when I came back, it said x equals c sub 1. What that means is it means x is equal to any constant value. And it's going to look just like that if you do it on the other calculator. Let's go back here and see if I can copy this. Can I copy everything that's here? Oh yeah, I think so. Control C. And then let's go back into my calculator, see if I can paste that. Control V. So 1 plus 5 times x minus 3 equals 2x minus 14 plus 3x, 4x. Yeah. So you have to read those real close to see. Now what does it say on this side? Oh, this is different. This didn't say, that's a different solution. This says x equals c1, which means any constant. And this one says true. This means it's a true statement, which means it can be any answer at all. Let's go ahead and see if I can do another one real quick. Now, 6x minus 3. Let me, oh boy, I'm going to just grab an extra sheet where I can work. And we will just try solving this one. So I've got 6x minus 3 equals 1 plus 6x. Aha, I know what I'm going to do here. I'm going to start. There's nothing I can simplify on either side. So I'm going to start by taking away 6x from this side, take away 6x from that side. And when I simplify that, I end up with negative 3 equals 1. Well, that's false. That's not true. So that means since we end up with if something is not true, the answer is no solutions. Okay? So we'll go back in here and we'll select no solutions. And let's see if we can get one more. Well, we'll do one more and just see if we get one. Maybe we'll be lucky and get one that is maybe. We'll see if we can get one here that allows us to have what we see, no solutions. That was the last one. We saw infinitely many solutions. One solution, you should know that already pretty much. All right, let's combine these here, simplifying 6x minus 16x, so that's minus 10x. All right, and we have plus 7. And over here, that's supposed to be equal to, right, 5 minus 10x, right, minus 10x. So I'm going to add 10x so I can move this over there. And when I add 10x here, these guys cancel, those guys cancel. I get 5 equals 7. Is that true? That's false. There's no x's involved, so we don't have one solution. Since it's false, there is not infinitely many solutions. There is no solutions. Okay, that's plenty of showing you how to do those, okay? You can work on those yourself.